Hey guys, so basically there's no video for today, but just wanted to say for you guys to go vote because today was the first day of Sema and I'm absolutely exhausted. I captured a bunch of stuff. Captured Adam LZ's S15 reveal. What are you looking at me for? We drove NASCARs, both of us. I hit 146 miles an hour. She hit 138. And yeah, but sorry guys, I'm like absolutely drenched and I really don't think I have the energy. I'm tired, Rachel. I don't think I have the energy to go through.
What?
I don't think I have the energy to go through like 40, 50 minutes of footage. I'll try to make it up to you guys tomorrow. Well, in about 12, less than 12 hours actually, by live streaming at the SEMA show because I didn't do that today. And then tomorrow I'll actually edit the footage from today, and I'll just try to focus on live streaming and stuff tomorrow. But a couple of you came by the booth, and I really appreciate it. If you do watch my videos and you're what came today, thank you so much. It really means the world talking to some of you guys that appreciate my car. It makes up for all the hateful shit and stuff like that and whatnot. But like I said, just go remember to vote. The contest started already. You can either vote by going to the link in the caption, or you could vote by posting a picture on Instagram, a picture or video of my car on Instagram or Twitter. If any of you guys have Twitter, I don't have one. And hashtagging TBG6 TBG6 Andre. And that's it. Or you could do both Facebook and that and get, more votes per person, but I'll update you guys with the standing tomorrow, with a community post or with a live, in the live, whatever it happens to be. But yeah, I'm absolutely drenched. But tomorrow's the Gran Turismo Award, so I'll definitely take the camera with me to record that. I don't know how it's going to be, but we'll see. But anyways, I'll try to keep this short, and thank you so much for watching and for voting and everything like that. And thank you for understanding that I'm exhausted and I'm gonna die because I have to be up in
7, 8 hours?
Yeah, 7 or 8 hours, whatever. That actually doesn't sound that bad, but well, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to look out for the live stream. It's just gonna be like a straight up just walking through SEMA, looking at the cars and stuff like that. There's a lot of crazy stuff there. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.